Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture is Gayton McKenzie. Deputy Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture is Peace Mabe. Minister of Tourism is Patricia DeLille. Deputy Minister of Tourism is Maggie Sochu. Minister of Trade and Industry and Competition is Pax Dau. The Deputy Ministers of Trade, Industry and Competition are Zuko Godlimpi and Andrew Whitfield. Minister of Transport is Barbara Creasy. Deputy Minister of Transport is Mkhuleko Hlengwa. Minister of Water and Sanitation is Phemima Jodina. Deputy Ministers of Water and Sanitation is David Mahlobo and Isaac Siahlolo. Minister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities is Sindisiwe Chikunga. Deputy Minister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities is Mapaseka Steve Litsike. Minister of Correctional Services is Peter Groenewald, Dr. Peter Groenewald. Deputy Minister of Correctional Services is Lindiwe Njali Njali.